Hey, this is Rick Lowe with RLO Custom Leather. We've had people ask us just how big our shop is, what type of tools, machines do we use. So I thought today we'd just take a quick shop tour. So we're inside now. I'm gonna kind of pan here to the right. You can see these two tables. These are our work tables. And far back in the leather room, there's another one there. These tables are covered with 5/8 inch polyurethane, which means that we can actually cut leather on any part of that table. If you spill a little dye, a little bit of glue, no problem. Just go right ahead, wipe it up, and you're good to go. We'll start walking right through here. This section is for storage. Here at the top, we've got bins for our ammo tube barrel clamps. Down here, tape. Here's some product that's ready, actually finished up late yesterday afternoon, and will be shipped out tomorrow in tomorrow's mail. Coming this way, here's a great old anvil. I've made many a forged blade on this anvil, and both it and I are now retired from knife making. So the anvil has a home here in the shop, and we use it to set the rivets that we use on several of our products. Gonna take a look here and see how it's used. Then we also will cut the strap ends for our rifle slings. Take a look here, that's how this is done. Now you notice we put a piece of polyurethane on top of that anvil so we don't scar the edge or dull our tools. And here actually are some of the tools. So from the left, you can see these are strap-in cutters. They're used in various widths from 3/8 to 1.25 inches. And we come in, this is our leather stamp. This is what every piece that comes out of here is stamped with that. And give you a little idea, take a look, that's how that stamp works. There are the obviously hammers used to do that. We got some grommets stored here. Two very useful tools here. These are the little Wonder hand presses. I picked these up at Weaver Leather. One of these is set up so that we can set the rivets, set the grommets or part of the line 24 snaps that we use. The one in the back here. In fact, these are the different dies that we can switch out for use on these presses. Here's rivets, line 24 dies, other tools that we need to use to swap out. Again, small rivets. When we come back to this is actually, I think, a craft tool from Tandy. We use it with a hole punch. And then those holes, again, are punched by hand on our rifle slings. You can take a look here how that is done. From there we just kind of walk around. We're going to come into a little bit of leather storage, pieces that we'll use, and then finally into my machine. And I call it my machine because I'm the one that sews all the products for RLO Custom Leather. You can see this is done by the Leather Machine Company out of California. It's a Cobra Class 4 machine, and it has been just absolutely great for us. We first started out using a Tippmann Boss hand stitcher, and as the volume increased, we just couldn't stay up with it. It's a great machine. Here's an idea. Moving here, simply our printer. That's the word print all our shipping labels. Back in our computer, we pull all our orders off of the website here. We'll go back in. Most of the products we use, except for leather, we'll purchase online from American suppliers. Another piece of machinery from the Leather Machine Company. This is actually a leather splitter. Most of the time the leather we get from our supplier comes split in the thicknesses that we need. Occasionally we'll need something a little bit thinner. We'll use that, split it right down. Next piece here is a Tippmann 15-ton clicker press. That's used with steel rule dies to cut some of the products that we make that it just take too long to try to cut them by hand. So we'll use this 15-ton air supply, and we are able to go ahead and get a multiple of the same item cut out in a quick time. It's the contact cement that we use. This is a Weldwood product. It's low VOC, thinned down with water. Low VOC means that we can use it in here without having a danger of fumes knocking us out, or potentially even creating a fire situation. Brushes, tubes. Now we're going to come in. This is the leather room. Of course, there you go. Got to have a refrigerator for cold drinks. We can walk right on inside here. Here are pre-cut pieces for our stock covers. See some of our shipping boxes down here ready to get put together. Come back through here. Here's leather. This is what's left of our last leather order. Probably have to put another one in tomorrow, since we're filming this on a Sunday afternoon, which is about the only time these tables will be clear enough to actually film. This again is another cutting table here. You can see the lines where everything is cut. More storage space, cabinets over here. And we'll just ease back this away. Let you see these things as they're cut out. And back through and door out through there. And there we go. Come through here. You never know what you're going to find in RLO Custom Leather Shop. Just another pet. This section is totally for the no drill harness sling pieces. As you see, it's the end of the week. Well, the week was done actually yesterday. So we'll be cutting more of these out tomorrow. Up here, entertainment center, and more items again waiting to get assembled and put together. Here we are with a whole stack. These are rifle slings, either going out separately as slings, or with a no drill harness sling, or with the no drill stock combo. So there you go. Quick tour. Anything you need to know, give us a call. Thank you very much.